Recently I bought this xiaomi electric scooter, but I haven't the right charger. This one has this type of connector, and the scooter need one with the center pin. For testing I used this terminal, this one to charge the scooter, and this rigid wire as the central pin. It worked okay. Now I must make a permanent one. I found this LMB terminal which has the right diameter. It can fit here. Now I can add this center pin and rigid this part with hot glue, for example. I cut this connector in half. I will use this part. I welded this part first. It goes here. Now I will put the center pin, and I will secure them with some hot glue. And this part here, I must secure them with the hot glue. Now I will use some tape here to fix firmly those two wires. When you collect a lot of connector and end up making one from this tiny LMB connector, we can test this homemade one. We plug here in the electric scooter, and now it's charging. Now we come to the end of this video. Thanks for watching and have a nice time.